Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your work in Figma. Whether you're just getting started in Figma or you've been designing for a while and want to make sure your hard work is always safe, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know not only how to rely on Figma's autosave, but also how to back up your files locally and preserve key versions as you work. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Figma and open up your project. Figma works right from your browser or the desktop app, so just make sure you're inside the file you want to save. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually save my progress? Here's the great news. Figma is designed with peace of mind in mind. It uses an automatically saving cloud-based system, so every single change you make is instantly and quietly saved to the cloud as you go. There's no need to frantically hit Ctrl+S after every adjustment like in some traditional design apps. You can relax, knowing your work is being looked after behind the scenes. But sometimes you want a bit more control, right? Maybe you'd like a backup you can keep on your computer, or you want to create specific save points as you reach important stages in your project. This is where a quick trip to the main menu comes in handy. Just go to the top left corner, find the File menu, and you'll see a few useful options here. Let's start with Save to Local. Selecting this will prompt you to choose where on your computer you want to save a copy of your project. This creates what's called a Fig file, a special file format that Figma can open later. Think of this as taking a snapshot of your whole project at this moment in time and tucking it away safely on your hard drive. This is really helpful if you're about to make big changes or if you'll be working somewhere without a reliable internet connection. And don't worry if you're not sure when to do this. Many designers save a backup before a big client presentation just to have a safety net. Now let's talk about Save to History. You'll find this under the same File menu, and it's a fantastic feature that's a bit like creating checkpoints in a video game. Every time you save to history, Figma creates a new version in your file's version history. So if anything goes wrong, or if you just want to see how your project looked a few hours or days ago, you can easily jump back to that point. Imagine you're experimenting with a bold new look, or collaborating with teammates and things get a bit messy. That's when these saved history points are absolute lifesavers. It's almost like partitioning your project into different timelines, so you're never truly stuck with a change you don't like. Take your time with these steps. The menu navigation might feel unfamiliar at first, but after you've done it once or twice, it'll become second nature. And don't stress if you forget to manually save. Remember that autosave feature is always working in the background. Alright, that's everything you need to know to make sure your Figma projects are always safe and sound. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button, and if you have questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I read every one. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.